All right, 4:45. We are back this Tuesday morning. Still chilly out there, and I was telling Todd that it's that time of year where it's bright out, so you think it's like nice enough to go outside for a walk or something with a light jacket. Wrong. It's very cold. Bundle up.
Especially when the wind kicks up. I mean, there's no wind and the sun is out. I think it's great.
Yeah.
But when the wind kicks up, and we're going to have a little out there this morning, Sam, it is going to be a little harsh on you. Snowfall so far this season, thanks to this past weekend, has pushed numbers close to average levels. We're only shy by an inch or two in most areas of the state. And it looks like some areas of the state will be tacking on, especially up north in the county. And I think Caribou will go above the average after tomorrow's storm. We actually do have some snow showers and squalls moving through the county right now. Some flurries around Bangor, some more snow showers that'll be moving into the mountains with a cold front. And while that cold front will bring in some really cold air tonight, tomorrow, and the days ahead, we're not going to feel it so much today. We've got temps that are in the 20s to around 30 right now, which is reasonable. We do have some wind already this morning, though, so temps do feel colder than that. But once this front passes, there's going to be a quick ridge of high pressure that works in, and the wind's going to go kaput this afternoon. It's going to be a really nice afternoon. We've got energy up north linking up with moisture to the south. That's the storm system for tomorrow. A lot of it does form a little too late for the majority of Maine, except for eastern and northern Maine. Clouds with a chance for flurries this morning. There's a brisk feel, though, to the air with that breeze. Midday, any snow showers that are around the mountains or squalls that are in the mountains will start to end. We'll get some statewide clearing. And with less wind, it's actually going to feel fairly mild in the sunshine. And our high temperatures will get up close to 40, between about 35 and 40 degrees, which after the recent cold is going to feel pretty good. Clear and quiet this evening. The chill, though, will be out there as temperatures drop. All right, let's pick up the story at midnight tonight. Clouds are thickening up. By tomorrow morning, as soon as the commute gets going, the precipitation shield from that offshore storm will be moving in. The temperature profile of the atmosphere is pointing to some warm air poking in aloft, which would change snowflakes, especially near the coastline, over to raindrops. The problem is at the surface, there will be some sub-freezing air, and that's a recipe for some freezing rain and freezing drizzle. And I do think that will be a big factor in tomorrow morning's commute from Portland all the way up through Lewiston. North of Lewiston and Augusta, it's primarily snow from this storm. Now, we'll get going with the bigger bands and the heavier precipitation around noon tomorrow, but there's still light freezing rain across most of southern Maine, some light freezing rain in Bangor too. And then by the afternoon, the storm system starts to shift away, so the back edge is working through southern Maine. We're still getting snow in the mountains and some heavy snow in northern Maine that will continue after dark before finally tapering off. We'll see some flakes to finish up in Bangor, some freezing rain and flakes along the down east coastline tomorrow evening, and then we're all clearing out tomorrow night. It's kind of complicated, this snow map. Where we see all snow up in the county, there will be a lot, 6 to 10 inches of it. 3 to 6 inches back through Moosehead Lake and parts of the western Maine mountains, and then 1 to 3 inches for the North Conway area back into some of the western Maine mountains. Elsewhere in that freezing rain zone, there might be a little bit of snow, but it's less than an inch. It's more that icy glaze that I'm concerned about for Portland, Lewiston, Augusta, and for Bangor as well. So messy travel expected tomorrow. And then it's quiet for Thursday. It's quiet for Friday. Saturday, we'll have this little parade of storms working through the northeast. Neither one of them really appears to be a blockbuster, but each one as they pass could give us a little round of snow here beginning on Christmas into Christmas night. So we'll keep an eye on that. Doesn't look like a huge player at this time. Gale warnings, seas 4 to 7, westerlies 20 to 30 knots, diminishing. A flurry and then sun. Pretty nice out there this afternoon. Snow and ice expected tomorrow. A little rain mixed in there as well. Thursday and Friday are quiet days. We'll keep an eye on Saturday, Christmas Day. There is a chance for some snow on Christmas Day. Right now, I'm not too concerned about it, but I'm more focused on this tomorrow, which looks like it'll be kind of messy out there for most of the day.
Yeah,
Sam?
lots to keep our eyes on.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Todd.